Have you ever opened your bank app and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Today I'm challenging myself to finally figure out why I'm not saving enough money and to take back control of my financial life. If you're struggling with the same thing, this might just change the game for you. We all know saving money is important. We've heard it since childhood. Save for a rainy day. Lifestyle upgrades, unexpected expenses. Let's be honest, online shopping, it becomes incredibly easy to fall behind. And even if we're earning more than ever, we're often still living paycheck to paycheck. So why is that? One major reason is our environment. Everywhere we look, we're bombarded with messages to spend. Whether it's that limited time sale, now, pay, later offers, or influencers flaunting luxury lifestyles on social media. You might not even realize how much these subtle nudges shape your daily spending choices. But here's the hard truth. Spending is easy. Saving takes effort. And without a solid plan, money slips away faster than we realize. Let's talk about some of the most common reasons people fail to save. One big issue is lifestyle inflation. You get a raise and think, finally I can breathe a little. But instead of saving that extra income, you upgrade your phone, order out more often, maybe even move to a more expensive place. Your expenses grow with your income, and saving gets sidelined. Another issue is not tracking where your money goes. Studies show that people who track their spending, even roughly, are more likely to save. Just writing things down or using a budgeting app can uncover a lot. You might realize you're spending $200 a month on takeout without even noticing. We also confuse wants with needs. A morning coffee might feel essential, but is it really? Those small purchases made daily quietly chip away at your potential savings. You don't need to stop treating yourself, but awareness changes everything. And let's not forget about emotional spending, which is more common than we think. Many of us use shopping as a way to cope with stress, boredom, or even sadness. But the satisfaction we get from spending is temporary and often followed by guilt. Over time, this pattern becomes a financial trap. Here's a real-life example. Take Sarah, a 29-year-old professional making decent money. Every month, she promises herself she'll save whatever's left over. But between eating out with friends, spontaneous shopping, and no real plan, nothing is ever left. It was until she created a strict $50 weekly fund budget and automated her savings that she finally saw progress. What changed? Just awareness and intention. Financial literacy is another major issue. Many of us were never taught how money works. We don't learn about budgeting, investing, or interest rates in school. And when we become adults, we're expected to just know how to manage it. No wonder so many people feel lost. Debt plays a massive role too. High-interest credit cards, student loans, car payments, they can eat up a huge part of your income. When you're paying off debt, saving feels impossible. But even saving just $10 a week can help rebuild your confidence and your bank account. Another hidden problem? We don't have clear goals. It's hard to save when you don't know what you're saving for. Setting clear, measurable goals, like $5,000 for an emergency fund in 6 months, can give your savings direction and purpose. You might also be surprised to learn that many successful savers do one thing differently. They pay themselves first. Before spending on anything else, they move a percentage of their income straight into savings. Even if it's just 10%, it adds up quickly and it creates a habit of prioritizing your future self. So what can we do? First, set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying I want to save money, try I will save $300 per month for the next 6 months. Second, build a basic budget. You don't need a finance degree, just track income, expenses, and savings. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Third, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Have a portion of your paycheck go straight into a savings account. This reduces the temptation to spend it. Fourth, create a no-spend challenge for a week or a weekend. These short bursts help reset your spending habits and boost your savings. Also, build an emergency fund then if you start small. Having just $500 set aside for surprise expenses can prevent you from going into debt. Start learning too. Read books like The Psychology of Money or follow financial creators on YouTube and TikTok. The more you understand money, the more power you'll have over it. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. Saving money is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. You will make mistakes, but the goal is to keep moving forward. So if you're wondering why you're not saving enough, it's probably not just one reason. It's a mix of environment, habits, knowledge gaps, emotional spending, and lack of goals. But the good news? All of these can be changed. Take control by setting goals, creating a plan, and automating your savings. It's not about sacrificing your entire lifestyle. It's about building a future you can feel proud of. If this message hit home, drop a comment and share your own money struggles or wins. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll show you simple budgeting systems you can start today, even if you're reliving paycheck to paycheck.